So, sa number 2 nga question kay find the shelter that has processed the highest percentage of rejected adoption applications. First is gamit tag select, then kung na tong shelter name, then ito count case when kung ang status ay rejected. Count as rejection percentage from table ng adoption details. Ito rin siyang gamitan ng inner join na shelter nga table. Kaya ito siya i-group by then nato siyang i-order by rejection percentage sending. Kaya siya limit 5. As you can see, makita ng mga shelter name o mga rejection percentage. Unang, ang pinakadakog rejected nga adoption applications kaya ang kuan House of Hope Shelter. The next second chance and shelter and so on.